welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to do a slime kit, make your own zombie brain slime. Me and my mom were at the store yesterday, so I decided to get some slime for you guys, and let's open it up. So we've got the bottle of zombie colored dye. We got some styrofoam balls. We got a measuring cup. We got the instructions. We got the bottle of glue. We got the bag of sodium. Mom, I need help reading what the other word is. Sodium.
Tetraborate.
Tetraborate. And these are 2 mixing sticks. So I got Okay, so we're going to grab the measuring cup. Use a plastic measuring cup. So, yeah, we got the plastic measuring cup. Measure out 2 millimeters of glue. I need a bowl. We're having some difficulties with the glue. So I'm just going to do this. Okay. Start. Come on.
Did you get it?
Yes, we got exactly 20 millimeters of glue. So I'm just gonna pour the glue into one of the bowls. So we got a bowl.
One of them? So you need another one?
I think so. Just bring me like 3 bowls.
Do you want, maybe you should just use one of those.
Let's use the other one to mix. So I did 2 bowls, yeah. I haven't even read the instructions. I'm just thinking we need about 3 bowls. Because there's more glue in there. Some of it does not want to come out at all.
Do you want me to be your assistant?
Yes, please. Here, you do that. I'll read some more instructions. Use the mixing stick to scrape any glue that may have stuck to the sides.
There we go. That's what we're doing.
Measure 50 millimeters of room temperature water and pour it into the bowl with the glue.
50 milliliters of water?
Yep. Okay. I think it's hot water.
Is it hot?
A room temperature water.
Okay.
I'll go check the furnace.
No, you're trying to just do it.
Well, my mom right here, also my assistant, is going to check our furnace to see what the room room temperature is, right? Mom,
Yeah,
I think there's
50 milliliters.
yeah, 50 millimeters. While my mom does that, I'm going to work on getting some more of this glue out.
Okay. I have, oh, that's too much.
It is.
Got it. 50 milliliters of water. Where do I put it?
Here, you just go rinse those.
Sure.
I'll pour this in. So we've got 50 millimeters of water into our glue. Now, to make fun zombie brain slime, add 1/3 of a bag of foam balls supplied into 2 drops of dye with the bowl of water and glue. So kind of mixing stick. I'm just gonna try to get that glue down. So we're just gonna take this right here.
Can I read these quick?
Here, you just read them to me and I'll do it.
Sure. So you're at 50 milliliters of room temperature water. Pour into the bowl with glue. Foam. To make fun zombie brain slime, add 1/3 of the bag of foam balls.
So 1/3. So how much would that be?
I will put 1/3 into one of those bowls and then you can dump it in.
I think it said with the blue is glue. You have to read the whole sentence.
I did, but I'm just going to measure it first before I dump it. So
Okay.
1/3. So if this is split up into 3 pieces, probably like around this.
You sure we should measure it first?
I am measuring it. 1/3 of the bag of foam balls supplied and 2 drops of dye. Okay, so now you can dump that in your bowl. And then 2 drops of dye.
So we got our dye here. So we got. It's not coming out.
Is it not open?
It's open.
No, it's not.
It's not open. Okay. You can just watch me. Like. Look at this. It has water, glue, and foam, and it looks so weird.
Okay, I have to actually go stab this with something.
Mom! Here you go. Or don't use scissors. Okay. Just bring that over here. Okay? Guess we need to stab something else. So.
Here you go.
So, we're going to pour 2 drops in. We got 1, 2.
Ooh, it looks so cool.
We got 2 drops in. Now, does it say use mixing stick to mix?
Your shirt says currently offline, but you're online.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, mix everything together with the mixing stick until fully blended.
Okay, that's... What about this? What do I do with this?
Well, we're only halfway through the directions.
Maybe we're going to make more slime.
It says mix everything together with the mixing stick till fully blended. Part 2. Now we make it ooey gooey. Ooey gooey.
My mom said it was a bad idea to do this.
That's because she always makes a big mess.
I'm not going to make a big mess this time. But we do have to...
You just flung glue out. I saw it.
Oops.
Anyways. Empty the packet.
Hey, it's not fully blended yet.
Well, hurry up on that. Oh, look at this packet's covered in glue. Imagine that.
Well, it's because I had to put this mixing stick on it. It was full of glue.
Okay.
This is probably going to be a bad video when we watch it.
Empty the pack of sodium tetrabate tetraborate into the second bowl.
Okay, I will empty it. So we're just gonna take this bowl aside, and we're gonna just use this bowl right now. So we're gonna dump the whole tetraborate into here.
What a weird name. I wonder what that means. Tetraborate. Did you tell your YouTube channel you're sick?
Yeah, I'm sick. I'm sorry. I'm sick and doing a video. But I've got to.
Life goes on.
What's after the tetraborate?
Siri, what is tetraborate?
What is tetraborate, Siri?
Siri says
I don't think the phone can read.
it's an anon.
I have no idea what an anon is.
I don't either. Well,
Who's gonna know?
you're no help, Siri. Okay.
Comment down below what an anon is in tetraborate.
Okay. So in the second,
If you know.
using the measuring cup with the help of an adult, where are you gonna find one of those?
You didn't rinse this out.
Measure. I did, but it's glue. It's not like it's easy to get out.
Here, you entertain them. Did you use the mixing stick?
Yes. Using the measuring cup with the help of an adult, measure 30 milliliters of hot water. Add the hot water to the bowl of sodium tetraborate. Mix together using the mixing stick until the powder has completely dissolved into the water. So, let's go get 30 milliliters.
So hard to rinse. Look at this. I'm literally trying to get all this out, and it's not working.
Oh, while we're here, we need to look at Caden's new friend.
Yeah, I'm growing grass.
Okay.
This is...
You need to stop doing that. That's really pointless because we need to move
Yeah,
along.
it's better cleaned out than my mom did. Ah! I'll grab that.
Take your phone and go.
I shut the water off. Okay, here you go. Take the measuring cup and the mixing stick. So we got our knots totally. Yeah, it's not even totally mixed. So I'm just gonna. Darn it. Just gonna work on this while my mom's doing some other stuff. It's already ooey gooey, so I don't know what they mean, make it ooey gooey.
I just gotta wait for the water to get hot.
I wanted to wear my pajamas to do this, but my mom would not let me. Mom, this is
JoJo Siwa doesn't wear her pajamas, does she?
no. Megan Trainor does. When she did me too, she wore her pajamas.
Well, when you're as famous as Megan Trainor, you can go for it. You ready for the hot water?
Hey, it's almost totally.
You ready for the hot water to mix?
Yes.
Now you gotta mix it all together till it's all dissolved. Here, I got a napkin. Oh, shit. Crap. Here.
It's okay, I got one. It's not gonna dissolve soon.
You're splashing it too much.
Oh.
Well, should we double mix it? You mix one side and mix the other?
Yeah, this is gonna work better. It's almost fully dissolved, right?
Teamwork! Oh no, I just stuck my sweatshirt in your other thing.
That?
Mm-hmm.
It's not totally formed together yet, though.
Okay.
This slime is turning out to be a total disaster.
It's completely dissolved into water. Slowly pour the water and slime mixture into the bowl from part 1. Mix together the mixtures using your mixing stick. You will notice that your slime will start to become thicker and thicker. Continue stirring your mixture until it's completely blended and has become a thick gel-like consistency.
This is turning out to be a